kabataan ngayon, it's a go, go, go generation, di ba?
Yes.
Ayaw mo ibigay sa akin, mami, lalayas ako. Ayaw mo ibigay sa akin, mami, laslas ako. They feel they are entitled to everything. Which tama naman, they are entitled to it kasi yun mga magulang ng unang generation, ng magulang nila, they have to study, to work hard. Diba? So they can buy what they want.
Yes.
So therefore, ang mga magulang nila, gusto lahat maibigay naman sa anak nila. So mga anak nila, they feel they're entitled. For example, going to one day to fast food, I was not looking, hindi ako chismosa napatingin lang. I heard on the other table while we were ordering, sabi ng isang bata, "Mommy, where's my iPad?" Mo? iPad Ako nung cellphone ko, kung cellphone lang nung unang panahon, kailangan pa lumuhod at mag-aral na maayos, di ba?
Yes, oo.
And when I look around, I saw the child, wow, she's only 3 years old, iPad na. Di ba?
Yes.
So, minsan iisipin natin, no, it's what we as parents teach our children. Maganda magulang, if you can practice delayed gratification. Honey, don't you worry. I'll give your iPad to you in 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's wash your hands first. Let's start to be like this.
Doc, that's a good,
Delayed gratification. Teaching them.
Kasi I have a kid now. She's 7 years
Cute.
old. Thank you. So parang sa akin, napapansin ko din ngayon na parang dati binibigay ko lahat. But I realized since only child lang siya, realize na, wow, the more na tumatanda siya and the more I'm getting older also as a mother, grabe sobrang spoiled. That's true. Delayed gratification. Kasi iba na talaga yung mga kabataan ngayon.
Yeah.